Happy birthday to you. Good evening po. Hello, Father Lino.
Hello.
Andito po kami. Kami po si Paul and Chris. Kasama po namin ang aming mga anak. Caleb, say hi.
Caleb, say hi.
Busy po kami.
Hi. Hi.
And Fiala. Pasensya na po kanina. Medyo mahina ang signal sa Paris. Nagkamali po ako ng dinig kay Cleo. Happy 35th sacerdotal anniversary.
And happy 60th birthday.
Yes. Okay. Father Lino in one word. Para sa amin ni Chris, isa lang ang naisip namin eh. Anchor. Father Lino has been a true anchor of the community. I mean, of all disciples. I believe that the FRM has been very and is very privileged to have Father Lino as our spiritual director. And I believe if we can start the FRM all over again, pupiliin pa rin natin si Father Lino. Amen?
Amen.
Amen. Ayan, inubo na po yung inubo na po yung aming anak. Chris, ano ang fondest memory natin kay Father Lino? Say excuse me.
Ikaw muna.
Ako, ang fondest memory ko kay Father Lino is ano ba yung kanina music natin? Fixing. Fixing. Okay. One time, nung nagsubmit ako ng teaching module ko sa kanya for my teaching stint for the community. Pinagpuyatan ko yun nung gabi. And I think he has a flight tomorrow morning, but nagkita kami kila Tita Rose. And bago ako pumunta sa kanya, nag-present, since puyat na puyat ako, uminom ako ng Red Bull. Lipovitan pala. Madalit sabi, nag-present ako sa kanya ng talagang para akong high na high. So parang sinabi niyo sa akin, Paul, just relax. So yun yung isa sa mga naalala ko with Father Lino. Ikaw, please.
Si Father, halos lahat naman ng panahon na nakasama siya, lalo masaya. Naalala ko lang every time na mag-misa, Friday Mass, or basta mag-Eucharistic celebration, lagi kong iniisip kung kakantahin ba niya yung Gloria o hindi. So, lagi ako
yung ano?
Yung Gloria. Yun.
Yes, so marami kaming memories kay Father Lino na magaganda. And ang wish namin sa kanya for his 60th birthday, of course, good health, and may you be always inspired to do God's work and to help the FRM reach our goals and our aspirations. And we hope and pray rin and please join us in praying, brothers and sisters, na yung apostolate dito sa Dubai ay masimulan na namin, just as what they're doing in the US and in New Zealand as well. So we miss everyone. We miss you, Father Lino.
We miss you.
And hope to see you all this coming December. God willing, we'll be there with our kids. We love you all. We love you, Father Lino.
Love you.
And have a pleasant evening.